Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Facebook keeps stopping on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. There might be many possibilities that makes your Facebook error and keeps stopping. So in order to fix that issue, here are some things you can do. First thing you can do is check for your Facebook update. Go to your Play Store on your Android and in the search box type in Facebook. After you do that, if you've not updated your app, then you'll be able to see an update button popping out. Tap on update and download the latest updates for your Facebook application and see if it works. If it does, then that's great. If not, there's something else you can do as well. Another thing you can try out is to try clearing your RAM on your Android device. To do so, go to your phone's settings and then scroll down and tap on Device Care. You'll see the performance of your smartphone. Go to Memory from this page and tap on Clean Now and wait for a few seconds. The system has cleaned itself now on the screen, you'll be able to see. After you do that, go back and relaunch your Facebook application. Sometimes there might be a problem with the application version, so in order to fix that, you can try using your Facebook from the web version. Tap open your web browser and sign into your Facebook account like you normally do, and with this, you'll be able to operate your Facebook smooth. Another thing you can try out is to restart your phone. Simply tap on the restart button, and once your phone restarts, go back to Facebook and see if it fixes your issue. The last thing you can try out is to clear cache and data from your Facebook application. In order to do so, tap on the settings button one more time. On the settings menu, tap on apps, search for Facebook from the app list. Soon after you do that, under users, tap on storage. At the bottom right, you can see a clear cache button. Tap on it and your cache will be cleared. Now go to the bottom left and tap on Clear Data. From the pop-up, select OK. And after you do that, all the application's data will be deleted permanently, which includes all its files, settings, accounts, and databases. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever your Facebook keeps stopping and stops you from logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.